Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Troubled. Troubled means beset by problems or difficulties. For example, his troubled private life. His troubled private life. Synonyms: difficult, problematic, full of problems.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. With these voluptuous gifts have come difficult, troubled lives. Now, repeat after me. With these voluptuous gifts have come difficult, troubled lives. The second exemplar. The troubled undergraduate's primary difficulty lay in conceiving how anything could float. Now, repeat after me. The troubled undergraduate's primary difficulty lay in conceiving how anything could float. The third exemplar. This is music that directly addresses many of the problems of a troubled planet. Now, repeat after me. This is music that directly addresses many of the problems of a troubled planet.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Every syllable in English must have a vowel, sound. Not all syllables have consonants.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.